Welcome to Prime Savings Pro. Get ready to dive into the world of the latest trends and incredible savings. Our channel is your go-to source for all things trendy, stylish, and budget-friendly. How to use Grande Cosmetics GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing following for 3-step. Step 1. Cleanse and prepare your lashes. Start by thoroughly cleansing your lashes and removing any makeup or residue. Use a gentle cleanser specifically designed for the eye area. Make sure to rinse and dry your lashes before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Apply the Lash Enhancing Serum. Take the applicator brush provided with the GrandeLASH-MD serum and carefully apply a thin layer of the serum to the upper lash line. The serum is meant to be used like an eyeliner, so focus on applying it along the roots of your lashes. Avoid getting the product directly into your eyes. One stroke along the lash line is typically enough. Step 3. Allow the serum to absorb and dry. After applying the serum, allow it to fully absorb and dry on your lashes. It's best to apply the serum in the evening before bedtime, as this gives it ample time to work overnight. Avoid applying any other eye products or cosmetics until the serum has completely dried. Subscribe now to Prime Savings Pro and unlock a